Hello friends, we are back today with the topic of internship. A lot of students have a lot of queries related to what is internship in IGNOU MAPC second year course. I am Rinko Jain and my contact number is 9868326454. So let's talk about this compulsory subject. Whether you have chosen any kind of specialization, that is clinical, counseling or industrial, you have to do internship. The subject code for internship for clinical is 015, for counseling is 025 and for industrial is 035. Internship is a compulsory subject for second year IGNOU MAPC because it is giving you practical hands-on experience, whatever you have learned in theory, how to see your clients, how to address their queries, how to do the psychometric assessments or any kind of test to understand the mental health of your client, how to give the treatments, what are the possible disorders the client is facing, whether they are children, they are adults, women, men, elderly. You have to assess them properly, you have to understand their issues properly, and that you requires a lot of skills, lot of practical experience, and that is what internship is going to give you. So it's a compulsory subject as far as IGNOU second year MAPC course is concerned. So students, you have to do seriously this internship. Don't take it as a time pass, and it will really help you to get along with good marks also, and a good experience will help you to become a good psychologist, counselor or a therapist. So whether you have chosen clinical, counseling or industrial, you have to find an agency or an organization where you will do your internship. IGNOU has no discretion as to where you are doing the internship. The only condition is that the person who is giving you internship should have at least 3 years of experience. The organization should be well established, and you can do it anywhere in India, but it has to be offline. Online internships are not accepted by IGNOU. Now we talk about each individual specializations. First we take the clinical psychology specialization. If in second year you have chosen clinical psychology, where you can do the internship, you can do the internship with a reputed RCI recognized clinical psychologist or a private practitioner, wherein the person has experience with dealing with mentally ill patients. And you can choose hospitals, NGOs, where you can find children with learning disabilities, autism or any kind of mental health issues, behavioral problems which need severe attention. So choice is yours where you are doing the internship in any of these organizations or institutes. You need the permission or a letter from the academic counselor. The format is in your internship handbook. It is the appendix 2 in your internship handbook, which you receive from the IGNOU. It's available online also. If you Google it, you can get it. So this letter from the academic counselor, who is from your study center, will be given to the agency supervisor or the agency head who is going to take your internship. Okay, the organization where you will be doing the internship, and there you will be then starting the internship. It should be of 240 hours. These 240 hours include all the observational classes, the training, the case study discussions, the internship report writing, and all those things which are required to complete your internship. So 240 hours with a clinical psychologist in a hospital or a NGO setup or a private clinic will help you to complete your internship. All the appendices, the documents, what needs to be signed and marks to be taken from the agency, from the academic counselor, that all appendices are your internship handbook. For more details and understanding of these, you can always contact me at 9868326454. This is about clinical psychology. In counseling psychology, if you have taken the specializations, the organizations where you can do are school, NGOs, psychologists who are practicing privately, have a good experience of 3 years or more, and they are having some cases which they can discuss with you. Now here I need to be very much clear that in private clinics it's very difficult to get a hands-on experience with patients directly, because it's a matter of the privacy, integrity of the patient, the client. And you may get an exposure directly to the client at hospitals or NGOs. They may allow you to observe or take some initial history of the client. So you can learn lots of things. The agency supervisor will train you, will discuss with you the cases, will teach you how to do psychometric assessments where and when required, and discuss how to assess the clients, how to give them treatments. Some psychologists, they also train you how to give therapies. So that is what internship contains of clinical and counseling psychology. In industrial psychology, you will have to look in for a company, a department, a HR department, wherein you can work under the HR head and understand the situations over there, the methods required to counsel the people over there, how to recruit people, and so on. So that internship is in industrial psychology. So like this, you are getting marks from academic counselor, agency supervisors, and you are then compiling the report, writing 10 case studies compulsorily in your internship report, taking all the signatures on the appendices and submitting it to IGNOU. After submission, you also fill the exam form wherein you will have to attend a Viva exam. There is no written exam for internship. There is a Viva oral test for the internship. In that, they ask you what you did in the internship, and they ask you questions based on what you have written in your internship report. All this internship is about the practical hands-on experience of whatever you have learned in theory in the first year and second year. Where you do it, that is totally at your discretion. You don't have to take permission from the IGNOU center. You have to take a letter from the academic counselor of your study center or regional center and submit it to the agency where you want to do the internship. So this is about internship in brief, and for more details you can always connect with me on 9868326454. We at Amitabh Psychology, Mumbai Thane, give internship in clinical and counseling psychology. We do help students to get internship done at various places in India, in Pune, in Hyderabad, in Bangalore. We have tie-ups, we have our references where we can guide to students. Also, we help students in writing case studies, in writing the internship reports. So here we are for an end-to-end solution for your internship queries. Do connect with us at www.amitabhpsychology.com.